Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to my bread baking course on zidi.com. Today we are going to learn lots of things. We have bread making, whereby a lot of people have been asking me about how do you make bread? Which is the best recipe for bread? Do you have a bread recipe? So they are simple recipes, but the process, I'm taking it to you step by step in a way that you will be able to follow at home. So we have the brown bread recipe, banana bread. Banana bread is a quick bread. And then I also have the soda bread. So 3 different types of recipes that you can make and divide them throughout your week so that your search for that good quality bread comes to an end. Hope you'll enjoy it, and when it comes to any feedback or comments, please let me know so that I give you more information that you need.